Hey, do you want to learn how to turn yourself into a Barbie for free using ChatGPT AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So what you need to do is go over to chatgpt.com, and on here, you need to click on the new chat button. Now, you need to first insert the image, which could be your own image, or you can get from Pikzels. This is also a nice place to get images, or you can also go for thispersondoesnotexist.com, where if you try to refresh it, you're going to find more and more of these images that you can get. And these images are totally random. They are generated with the help of AI, and it does not exist. So what you have to do is right click it and save image as, download it to your computer. For Pikzels, you just need to go over in it and then click on free download. Now on the chat GPT, you need to click on the plus icon on the bottom and upload from computer and then upload the image. Now once you have uploaded the image, you need to type in the prompt. This is the prompt that you need to type. I'm going to put the same prompt in the description so you can copy it from there. So in it, I've typed in, turn this image into a boxed action figure of a Barbie, fully packaged from head to toe in a classic blister pack style. Include accessories like dollhouse, Barbie shoes, brush, etc. The packaging should proudly feature the name, this one, your friendly neighborhood Barbie. Now I can change the stuff inside it, which is going to reflect in the output. So instead of Barbie, you can type in something else if you want, and the accessories and the text, which is going to show up on the top of the packaging. So just like that, this is what the output was for this one. And I also tried it to convert myself into Barbie. So I put my own image and this was the result. Let me know in the comments how it looks like. This was another one that I tried. So I just typed in action figure of a video creator and all these other accessories and the text. And this was the result. This was another result that I tried. And if you want to not give it an image and you just want to make an action figure of a Barbie without any image, you can just say generate a box action figure of a Barbie that way. So it's not going to turn any image, but it's going to generate from start. And this was the result. So that's it. That's how you can turn yourself into Barbie with ChatGPT AI for free. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more tutorials in a playlist, more ChatGPT tutorials and AI guides. So see you there and bye for now.